Hello, dear students. We have for you today a question from IPMAT Indore 2024. Okay, it is an actual IPMAT question, and this is a verbal ability question. In the English section, as you know, we have reading comprehension questions and verbal ability questions, right? And the verbal ability questions can be from grammar, vocabulary, there can be idioms and phrases, paragraph based logical reasoning, verbal reasoning questions, etc. Okay, so we are trying to expose you to some of the actual questions so that you can get some additional practice and also know exactly what to prepare for. Okay, so let us look at this question. Complete the following sentences by choosing the most appropriate word or phrase from the options given below. So it is a fill in the blanks question. You have to fill the blank with the correct option. Now, when you look at the options, you know all of them are idioms or idiomatic expressions. So, you have to fill in the blank with the appropriate idiom. That is the question. Let us read the sentence. In his address to the candidates contesting the student council elections. Okay, so there is a student council election coming up and there are some candidates contesting the elections. So the principal addresses these candidates and says, the principal said, if you want others to take you seriously, then you must dash. Okay, so this is the purpose. If you want others to take you seriously, you must dash on issues like gender bias and inclusivity. So what could it mean? If you want people to take you seriously, then on these issues, you should have a firm stand or you should take some action, something like that, right? Let us see. Rule the roost. To rule the roost is to be superior to everybody else in the group. That doesn't make sense here. There's no competition here, right? The election is happening, but the principal is talking of issues like gender bias and inclusivity. So there is no relevance for this particular expression. Walk the talk. Yes, to walk the talk means to practice what you preach. That is, it is not enough if you just talk about gender bias and inclusivity. You have to demonstrate it or you have to show it through some actions. Show your support for these issues through your actions. That is the meaning of walk the talk. That should be our answer. Read the lines. That is not an idiomatic expression per se. We have read between the lines. To read between the lines is to infer or to interpret something. That does not make sense here. And then we have go around the bend. To go around the bend is to go crazy, okay, to do some weird or eccentric things. So that also does not make sense. The right answer is walk the talk. Idioms and phrases is an important topic in IPM exam. So you should learn as many idioms as possible. The best way to do so is by reading as much as you can, but a shortcut would be to just look up idioms and phrases, note them down in a place and revise them from time to time. Okay, we'll be back with more such useful videos. Till then, bye-bye. All the best.